Hey everybody, Foothill Mo here with Midnight Custom C20, and we are hooking up with our sponsors, Rimthin. So we have a new to us commuter car. We have lovingly named this one Hector, and he is not running a spoon engine at Race Wars this year. So if you know anything about Fast and the Furious, you'll get that joke. So anyway, what we're going to do today is we are going to take the regular bulbs that are in the cars and we are going to replace them with these absolutely awesome LED bulbs. And so we put these, if you go back a little bit in our time frame, in Woodstock. Now, Woodstock is my element that is my daily driver, and I was going through bulbs left and right. So we ended up getting sponsored by Rimthin, putting these in there, and for under $50, you get the brightest of lightest of whitest lights in the entire world. I can't say enough good things about them, but we're going to go ahead and do a little preview to show you what these yellow ambery bulbs look like and then what they look like with these. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to change your bulbs in a 96 Honda Civic. Alright everyone, so this is what you're used to going down the road. Not too bright, not the brightest white of lights. So with that being said, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and switch over to the other side. I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb themselves. Alright, so in a 1996 Honda Civic, or in most Hondas in general, you have three different components that you have to remove in order to change a bulb. So with that being said, you are going to want to unplug the back of this. Do not use a screwdriver. I'm only using it for pointing purposes. So right in here, there's going to be a little thing that we're going to go ahead and remove. It's going to be a little tough to see, and it's going to look like that, okay? Now you're going to make sure that you need your dielectric grease. We're going to clean this up a little bit before we put fresh stuff on. Now the next thing that you're going to have to do, sorry, it keeps focusing funky, is this needs to come out. Now I'm going to move slow because the camera keeps adjusting. So you take that part out, you have that, and then there is a little, you're going to have to feel for it. You're not going to be able to see it, unfortunately, to this. A little, here's, it's like the size of a paper clip. That's going to be a little spring right there. Brandon's running the camera. And then after that, you gotta wiggle it around a little bit, and you're going to have your bulb coming out of here. Now this is an H4 bulb, and you're always going to want to wear gloves, but it's so tight in here, and unfortunately we don't stock gloves my size at the house. So I don't have a glove. This bulb, anytime you replace bulbs, you want to wear gloves because you don't want to touch that part of them right there. So that is pulling it out. And then just so you know, it usually goes back in like this. So that's how you're going to put it back in and do the steps in reverse. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the bulb that we pulled out, and don't mind it. It's usually not all fuzzy like that, but that's because I touched it. I shouldn't have. But here is the difference between the two. Now the plug-in components are going to be the same. And remember, it's going to go in directly like this. This is always going to be your North Star, so pointing up. So they're pretty much the same. But I can assure you that the cooling that these have, the brightness that they have, unmatched to any standard bulb that I have spent upwards of $300 for, even HID bulbs. These little less than $50 miracles are amazing, and they're still lasting on Woodstock almost a year later. So stay tuned. All right, so you're going to want to take your dielectric grease, put a little bit on your finger. You don't need a whole lot because remember this is going to go into the little plug there. You want just enough to give it a little lubrication because no one likes it dry. Gentlemen, take notes. Alright, now we will take a video at night so you can see exactly how bright these are. But this is just a sun setting difference. So you can see the difference between the amber one, which is a stock regular H4 bulb on this side, the driver's side, versus the LED that I just placed on the passenger side. So stay tuned. All right, after lots of colorful words, we finally got the driver's side done. So I'm going to show you what they look like right now by turning the headlights on, and then stay tuned again, the whole mini series on that, what these lights look like at night. So this is Foothill Mo with Midnight Custom C20 and our sponsors for today's video, Rimthin. So check these babies out. Rimthin, love your product. Have a good one. All right, everyone, the moment you've been waiting for. Nighttime. Look at how nice and icy bright white those are. Anyway, thanks for watching.